Before your next big business decision, there is one question worth asking. Do you actually know where you stand? A SWOT analysis is a simple but powerful framework that helps you assess your business from every angle. It covers 4 areas: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths and weaknesses are internal. They reflect what your business controls directly, what you do well, and where you have room to grow. Opportunities and threats come from outside your business. Market shifts, competitor moves, and industry trends affect you whether you're ready for them or not. Start by bringing together the right people. Set a clear goal. List everything you can identify in each category, prioritize your findings, and build a concrete action plan. Be specific with your findings. Give external factors the same attention as internal ones. And follow through. A SWOT only works if it leads to real action. A SWOT analysis gives your whole team a shared view of the business. Use it before big decisions. Revisit it often and let it move you forward.